Hello, my name is Gary Butler. I'm Sage Support Mentor at PKF Smith Cooper Systems. Today we're looking at the option to reverse supplier payments. So before we can start the option to reverse a supplier payment, we need to make sure it isn't included on a payment run. So we're going to period end routines, payment processing, and delete suggested payments. Now it's really worth bearing in mind you should really check internally to see if anyone has legitimately run a suggested payments option to make any payments later on in the day, as you don't really want to be deleting it in case someone's put a lot of hard work into it. What we're going to do is we're going to go through and delete it for a single supplier because we've only got one reversal to do, and that's a safe way of doing it. Once you've selected them, we press delete. We're clicking on yes, and it removes the suggested payments. Now we highlight our item and we go to transaction inquiries. This pops up with our transactions. Now our payment is allocated, so we will untick the show outstanding only. Now we can see our payment that we want to unallocate. At the bottom of the screen, we click on correct, and it pops up with the correct single supplier transaction screen. Now, if I press reverse, it will tell us that it can't be reversed or corrected until it's unallocated. Do you want to unallocate it now? Well, we do because we need to reverse it and it's showing us paying something. So we do want to unallocate it. This pops up with the supplier allocation screen. So we basically go through and we zero down the allocation values so the difference is 0. Then press save. This part here is the actual allocation side. So now we go and press reverse again. And this time it wants to post a supplier receipt for this account. So basically the reversal of a payment is a receipt. So what it's going to do is going to post the reversal, which we can see here was £5,000. We click on save, and then we close out of here. What we can then see is we've got our payment and our receipts, and they're shown as allocated to each other. If we go into the drill down allocation session, we can see here there's our allocation.